Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class on Wednesday. Alright, so today is Wednesday, May 26, 2021. Okay, so on Wednesday, first session, we're going to study Treehouse 3. Okay, so we will continue our Unit 9 from Monday. Alright, we will continue study our Unit 9. The candy factory. Okay, the candy factory. So now everyone, let's open your book on page 106 and 107. Here we go, everyone. So are you on this page? All right, so now before we continue, let's review all together. All right, so in this picture, what can you see, everyone? Yes, we can see Candy King. All right, where is he, everyone? Here, teacher will point for you. This is Candy King. All right, what else can you see? You can see machine. Okay, where is the machine? Over here. Wow, it's so big. All right, this machine is so big over here. All right, this one machine. What else can you see, everyone? You can see Monty, alright, standing next to the machine over here. And we can see, what is it, everyone? What is this? Okay, they are clothes. Okay, they are clothes. We can see clothes over here. We can see what are these, everyone? 1, 2, 3. What are these? These are kangaroos. Okay, kangaroos. All right, so where are they? Yes, they are inside the candy factories and they are making candies. Why, everyone? Because if Monty and kangaroos make a good candies, they will have a chance to meet the Candy King. Alright, wow, that's really good when you can meet Candy King. Alright, because you can ask for candies a lot. Okay, alright, so if Monty and kangaroos make a good candy, they will have a chance to meet the Candy King. Alright, so how they do that, everyone? How? Alright, there are 3 things that Monty have to do in order to meet with the king. All right, these are 3 things. Okay, did you remember? All right, the first one, get the clothes. Get the clothes. Why, everyone? Why we get the clothes? Because, okay, very good, everyone, good question. Here, this machine can make clothes into candies. Wow, that's really amazing. All right, that's really special machine that you can make clothes into candies. Wow, that's really great. If you have this machine at home, you can make candies by putting your clothes into this machine. All right, is it good? Is it special, everyone? Yes, I think it's very special. All right, and get the clothes already and then make the candy. All right, when we get the clothes, we will make the candy by this machine. All right, by this machine. Okay, all right, and meet the Candy King. All right, yes, we can do it. All right, meet the Candy King. So these are 3 things that we do in order to help Monty to meet the king. All right, you got it, everyone? Okay, so teacher tell you already, okay, about our today unit. All right, so now let's listen to Monty one more time. All right, he will tell you the story. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, everyone, so after you listen to Monty again, alright, I hope that you understand what Monty told you, alright? So now, teacher want to tell you again, there are 3 things that we can help Monty, alright? The first one is, get the clothes. Get the clothes. The second one is, make the candy. Make the candy. The third one is meet the candy king. Meet the candy king. Wow, there's only 3 things, alright? So we will have Monty to do that, okay? Alright, so we will do it next week, alright? Or we will do it next session, alright? So now it's the end of our first session. So teacher would like to say goodbye and see you at the second session.